Okay guys, I got a push rod here and a tensioning spring for a BMW E36 convertible, guys. So these go right here. They're for the sliding door, see? So it automatically opens. Ours is bent, our springs are broken. So I went online and I got some new ones, guys. Check out the interior, by the way, really coming together. Okay, let me show you what I purchased and the part numbers. Okay guys, so here is the spring. As you can see, here's like a part number, I guess. Tensioning spring, there it is. Very easy to get online. And here we have the push rod, see? There it is, also some numbers so you can find it. That's that, guys. Okay, let's take these out. Okay guys, so here it is. Here's the spring, here is the push rod. Brand new, it has to be straight or it's not gonna work on you. Okay, so the way you install these, I'm gonna show you the driver's side and the passenger side, how to install these. So underneath there is a little hook. Okay, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna just open this part so you can see. Okay, so on the bottom of this sliding little door here, see? There is, see right there, that's where you hook up the spring, where that little metal piece is, see? Okay, so the way you hook it up is you would go in from underneath, see, like this, and you would hook it in, get it? Okay, so now that you know that part of it, so that's how that hooks up under there. Pretty straightforward, right? It goes the same on both sides. Okay, I'm just trying to explain this the best I can. So if you take a brand new one of these springs, you'll notice they kind of like this part lines up with this part, see? So what you got to do is you got to twist it. See, if you go to twist it one way, see, like this way, it's very hard. See, it just wants to spring back. But if you twist it the other way, see, you can actually have it like where this is facing up and this is bent sideways, because that's how you want it. See, that's how you're going to install it. They both go on the exact same way. So like you wouldn't do the other side opposite. You're going to go like this, right? So you're going to hook that up under there. And then you're going to slide this thing in. See, this is what this looks like. And there's a little groove here, see? So what you're going to do is you're going to hook the spring up underneath. You're going to take this rod. You're going to stick it in. See, and that rod is going to push up. Well, you know what? I'm going to hook it up and show you. Okay, so I got it in, as you can see. See, there it is. Trying to get the best camera angle for you. See, so it's hard to kind of see, but see, the hook is forwards. So that's how you want it, see? So now, what you're gonna do is, okay, so see right here, there's a little piece, see, with like a little hole in it. Just right there. See what I mean? You get a good angle of it. So there it is. So we're gonna have to hook up this spring to that, but before we do that, we gotta put the push rod in. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so now you grab your push rod, see? So this part goes towards the back of the car, and that will go right inside the spring. So let me just try to do that. I know this is tough to record, but it is what it is, right? So see, that goes like that. So that's gonna go right in there like so. See? And now what you wanna do is hook up that spring. But remember how we talked about how it twists easier one way than the other way? So I'm gonna put this thing in, get this over, but have it so it still moves, see? Like it's not actually locked in. See, I just got it like this for now. You guys get that, right? Okay, so now you're gonna get it around into there. You ready? There we go. Okay, let me show you what that looks like. Okay, so up there, we got it just the way we had it. It's really hard to get the camera in there, but see? So that plastic thing pushes up against it. And then over here, see, just for putting in purposes, we had this like loose like this. But what you want to do now is see how there's a little slit there? So that slit, you have to turn this thing around, see, like so. And, well, I kind of might need both my hands here, but see, like that. And that's got to go in there. See, just like that. There you go. That is installed now, see? So that part of the spring goes like this. That goes like that. And that is it. So now, when this closes, or when the roof goes up, it's gonna push it in. When it goes down, it's gonna pull it back. Okay, let's go to the other side. I'll show you how I did the other side. Okay, now that I got your guys' attention, before I show you the other one, guys, make sure you throw me a subscription. I have tons of videos on lots of stuff on this car, but especially the roof. So there's tensioning straps, which there's a video out there where the guy's showing it all wrong. I got a video on that. I have a video where I rewire the whole roof because it never worked. Lots and lots of different videos. Check out the description for the whole roof playlist if you want. I got a complete restoration. I got the best manual swap series on this car on the whole internet. It's very, very detailed. Okay, let's get into this piece now. So the way this one went on, see, it went on the exact same way. Even though it's the opposite side, it just all depends on the way the spring twists, right? So up here, see, we have it hooked up the exact same way. See, just like that. The push rod's inside, and then the back of this, see? So you got the hook part. See what I mean? You can see that, right? Just like that, and then we got this hooked into it. So it's the exact same way on both sides. You think it would be like opposite, but it's not. I've tried every which way to put these on, and this is the way it works every time, guys. So as you're putting your roof up, these close. So throw me a subscription. Thanks for watching. Till next time, everybody. I really need subscriptions. Good night.